Welcome to With Love, a podcast that celebrates people, purpose, selfless intent, and quiet acts of kindness. This year, as With Love NGO completes 10 years of Seva, we wanted to pause and say thank you, not with applause, but with stories. Hi, joining me today is Miss Anubha Doshi, the founder of Artsphere and Soulsphere, an arts and healing center in Pune. She wears multiple hats, but what sets her apart is the intent and heart that she has for her community. Hi Anubha.
Hi.
I would like to ask you that what made you choose to support With Love NGO?
With love and because you guys, I know you guys, of
That's
course.
so lovely.
You're my first point of contact because I really like the work that you guys are doing. And I've seen the hard work that you have put in. My son and I have been part of a lot of your
Yes,
initiatives.
we have been with Vivan, seen him really.
I know. So you guys really, you put this seed in children from childhood, right? Because I've always written, like I told you about my book, right?
Yes.
And I've written my journey, how EQ and SQ is more important than
Absolutely.
IQ, right? As a psychologist, I really feel that emotional wellness and developing the spiritual quotient in children in today's time is even more important than the IQ, rational intelligence. कि मैथ्स में कितने मार्क्स आए या साइंस में कितने मार्क्स आए, बट हमने सोसाइटी के लिए क्या किया, कम्युनिटी के लिए क्या किया. Are our children aware? They're so privileged. I sometimes feel scared that do they know what's happening around them?
True.
So, and especially symbiosis and all, you know, right? They're completely cut off. So, I think from since Vivan, I mean, we've always had this thing about community and service, and it was instilled in me by my father.
Lovely.
And we all know that Maru's always, like Marwadi community has always
Yes.
done for the community, and they believe in giving back, right? So I remember this incident when I was young, and I used to run a library because I was very entrepreneurial.
Wow, so
like I
sweet.
used to love doing something. I was a small
Right.
child, maybe 10, 11, and I used to love buying books, and then I created this library. And I started collecting money, like a small chutku sa, chota sa
those,
amount, just to feel
those
that
in
I'm
those
doing
times,
a
yes.
business. Yeah, 40. This is 40
Of
years
course.
back, right? So then I told my father, okay, I want to buy more books from this. So my dad said, no, that I'm going to buy you.
Right.
Let's sponsor 2 children with this money.
Wow.
So that's the first time I realized.
Now we know that's where it's actually
Yeah,
coming
that's
from.
where it actually
and when you
started.
actually have, seen your dad guiding you on that line.
Yeah.
So I'm very sure that, Viman, like you already sorted in your mind, कि boss, I'm just waiting कि बस विमान को थोड़ा सा समझ में आ जाना है begin with him.
hopefully that's
No,
the
of course
whole-
he is. Do you remember the first moment you felt connected with the NGO?
I think I really felt connected when we were at Sadhu Vaswani Chowk, when we were doing the initiative where all
Yes,
the children we had
the
to go
People's
to
Project.
People's
Yes,
Project, where
yes.
we actually went on the streets
Absolutely.
with all these 10 children, the mothers and all of you guys, and we were actually doing the acts of
Yes,
kindness with the
yes.
children, because it's easier to just give money, right? I mean, आपने बोला हमने donation
Absolutely.
दिया, but actually streets पे जाना,
Field पे
वहाँ
जाके,
देखना, वहाँ झाड़ू लगाना, वहाँ पे चीज़ें खरीद कर फिर हम लोगों में बांटना. सो वहाँ पर भी एक बहुत ही स्वीट सा इंसिडेंट था वेयर टू हेल्प समवन. नो वी बॉट दिस पर्सन वाज सीइंग अस डू ऑल ऑफ दिस वर्क. हम एक रेडी पे रुके शरबत
You all were given projects. You all
projects. So all of us were dying of February. It was just exactly one
I think-
or 2
I
years
think,
back.
yes,
डिम्पल
yes.
को याद होगा शायद. सो हम गर्मी से मर रहे थे, सब बच्चे मर रहे थे गर्मी से, तो हमने ये शरबत खरीदा.
Right.
तो उसने हमसे पैसे लेने से मना कर दिया. ही सेड कि आप लोग इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं,
My
तो
God.
मैं आप लोगों से पैसे नहीं ले सकता हूँ, ये शरबत मेरे तरफ से.
Look at that.
बट ऑफ कोर्स वी
Of course,
नहीं
of course,
भैया,
yes.
यू हैव टू टेक एंड ऑल. बट ही सॉ अस डूइंग दिस वर्क एंड ही
Yes.
डिडंट वांट टू टेक मनी, जबकि वो दैट्स हिज बेसिक, like that's
That
how
is
he-
livelihood.
livelihood,
Not like
that's
it's going
how
to be
he-
an extra income for him. That's a
Exactly,
basic starting
that's his
livelihood.
basic
for him.
stuff. So he was so moved by the
Yeah.
work that we were doing on the roads. So I think then and then Vivan also was exposed
And they were watching.
firsthand. They were
Yeah.
watching. Everybody was watching.
And they were watching what you are doing.
Yeah.
And they are watching the reactions given by the people on the street.
Yeah. So then I really felt, and तब से I think we've been connected. 2 साल, I
Absolutely.
think this is 2 years back. We've been connected with Love NGO, and then
Yes.
we went to the school. We wanted a project.
Yes,
with the
yes.
school
I will be
and
coming to that for
Yeah.
sure. So, how has supporting this work changed the way you see privilege or responsibility?
So I always pray and believe that may this privilege help us help others, right? I mean, this privilege,
I love that.
if this is the privilege that we've been blessed with for whatever reason, good karmas हैं या जो भी है, तो ये हम इसको कुछ अच्छे काम के लिए यूज़ कर पाए. And that's what my whole thing is, to tell the younger generation, tell the new generation, even the people who come to work in our house, उनको हमेशा बताना कि see, they are not able to afford the education and that's why they have to do this, but you have the privilege.
Yes.
And don't just work for yourself. That's what I constantly tell Vivan also, that सब ऐसे मत सोचना कि I want to earn lots of money. We are earning money so that we can do something for the society or give back to society. So the privilege should lead to responsibility.
Beautiful. You have helped the NGO in many ways, very silently you make it happen. As a donor, providing your space, in fact, encouraging your child Vivan and his friends to take community service. So how has your experience been while doing that with the NGO?
Every time I read your message, right, and I'm really glad that आप लोगों ने एक बहुत अच्छा systematic way create किया, because people want to give, people want to do, but they don't know किसको trust करें आज
Oh my God, absolutely.
what to whom to give to, and it should go to a good cause. But you guys have a very systematic methodology. You have a group. We know where it's going. You send us pictures. You are clear. Okay, इतना ही चाहिए, cupboards बनाने हैं, बच्चे के sponsor करना है, education and all. So it's very like doable. It feels there's a deeper connection. Plus you guys are so warm and friendly. Always, if I can give this, okay, chalo, we can work with this, because we also kind of run.
Yes, of course, I know exactly.
Right, we're in the field of art. We are not selling,
no.
Products.
Yes.
And so I just feel that whatever we can do every month, the goal is to help someone. True. And to help with whatever we can.
Yes.
And to start with where we are.
That's it. And you're having that intent, and you're, making sure it reaches to Vivan also. And not just him, but his friends also.
His friends also. His friends.
So that's a really beautiful...
My friends, so many times we tell that, okay, I have this much money. Would you like to donate for this child? So many times we have asked our friends also to come forward to create a community and movement.
We are really grateful that you're actually doing that, because see, this thought didn't come to your mind, अच्छा मैं तो कर रही ना, ठीक है ना, मुझे क्या पता उनको करना है या नहीं. But you are sharing that, inviting more people. And I think that's a very lovely thing, Ranisha. Thanks a lot.
Because art fair is about community, right?
Yes.
So whatever we do is for the community, by the community, and it stays with the community, right? So it could go back there.
What would you say to someone who wants to help but doesn't know where to start?
Intention. Like in Buddhism, there's a beautiful Buddhism mein first path. To start with the first path is dana. Dana is the first step into your spiritual journey, generosity. So 6 paramitas कहते हैं बुद्धिज्म में. तो पहला पारमिता ही दाना है. तो वो कहते हैं आप जहाँ से भी शुरू कर सकते हैं. आपके पास इतना है, आप इतना दीजिए. कल आपके पास उतना है, you give more. Start with 1 rupee, 2 rupee. Just start from wherever. Develop the intention of dana. Doesn't matter how much you can give.
Absolutely.
So that intention helps give some message to the universe, which will help you then give dana. So it has to start with the intention first.
And your experience, as completely you shared it, how it has been with love. Anything which you just want to simply just share with the audience, that this is one thing. Okay, today I'm on this platform and I just want to share this one thing regarding NGO or with love. Anything that just comes to your mind. Just I have a platform and I will just share this one thing which I experienced or thought about. Anything that you wish to. Just that comes to your mind.
So what really comes to my mind is that a lot of people have influenced my ideology and thought, and when we run business, everyone thinks business is for profit. But business is actually, and leadership is, about being charismatic and leading people. But leadership is actually servant leadership. Our Indian philosophy, Gandhiji, all of these people really talk about, servant leadership. Leadership should be in a way that you can serve humanity. You can actually give back to humanity, and that is true leadership. So be a servant leader would be my message.
Lovely. Thank you, Anubha, so much.
Yeah, thank you.
As we come to the end of this conversation, we are reminded that change doesn't happen alone. It happens when people choose compassion over convenience and love over indifference. Thank you for being part of With Love community, for listening, for caring, and for believing that Seva, when done with dignity, can truly change lives. This was one voice from our journey of 10 years. Many more stories await. Until next time, keep choosing kindness with love.